Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about retrieve environment variable action in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till then so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In Power Automate Desktop, under the Power Automate environment category, inside the actions, you will have retrieve environment variable action. What this action does is it retrieves the value of an environment variable present in the environment. Now what I will do is I will drag this action into the workspace. Now when I will click on this drop down, you will see the list of environment variables present in this current environment. After that, we have this environment variable value where the value will be stored from the environment variable which has been selected from the drop down. And then we have this on error property where you can specify the error handling mechanism if there is any error while retrieving the value from the environment variable. You can specify the retrieve policy. You can have different rules for handling the errors in this action. Now I will close this and then I will go back to make.powerapps.com. I have created a solution called Power Pages Portal. Inside this solution, I'll create an environment variable by clicking on New and selecting the environment variable. And here I will specify the display name as app name for the environment variable, and the data type is going to be text. And here you can see that we have two fields, which is default value and current value. In the default value, I'll specify the value as customer engagement portal. And then I will click on save. Now this environment variable called app name has been created in the solution. Now I will go back to Power Automate Desktop. Now I will place this action into the workspace, and here you can see that app name environment variable is present. Sometime if the environment variable is not coming into this list, what you can do is you can save the Power Automate Desktop flow, close it and reopen it. Then you will see the newly created environment variable in this list. Now I will choose this environment variable name and then I will click on save, and then I will right click and say run from here. Execution has started. Now you can see that the value has come as customer engagement portal in the environment variable value variable. This value is coming from the default value field in the environment variable. Now let's say if you are going to define the current value, in that case current value is going to have precedence on default value. So if current value is not present, only then the default value will be shown. Otherwise, default value will be coming in the output. Now I will go back to Power Automate Desktop and rerun the flow. This time you will notice that the value will be as customer engagement portal 2. So this is how you can use retrieve environment variable action in Power Automate Desktop. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.